Let's read, listen, and practice. Hello, welcome to this video. My name is Ava. Let's see 3 stories that will help you and improve your English skills. Subscribe to the channel, leave your like and comment. Are you ready? So, let's get started. My morning routine. My name is Bob. Each day I drive my kids to school. My daughter goes to a school that's far from our house. It takes 30 minutes to get there. Then I drive my son to his school. It's close to my job. My daughter is in the 6th grade, and my son is in the 2nd. They are both good students. My daughter usually sings her favorite songs while I drive. My son usually sleeps. I arrive at the office at 8:30 a.m. I say good morning to all my workmates, then I get a big cup of hot coffee. I turn on my computer and read my email. Some days I have a lot to read. Soon I need another cup of coffee. The city where I live. My name is Clark, and I will tell you about my city. I live in an apartment. In my city, there is a post office where people mail letters. On Monday, I go to work. I work at the post office. Everyone shops for food at the grocery store. They also eat at the restaurant. The restaurant serves pizza and ice cream. My friends and I go to the park. We like to play soccer at the park. On Fridays, we go to the cinema to see a movie. Children don't go to school on the weekend. Each day, people go to the hospital when they are sick. The doctors and nurses take care of them. The police keep everyone safe. I am happy to live in my city. Going to the supermarket. Martha is at the grocery store, getting ready for a house party. She has a list of what she needs with her as she goes along. The first section she comes has produce. Martha sees apples, bananas, cherries, grapes, and strawberries. She checks her list. 6 apples. 1 bag of cherries. 1 bag of grapes. 2 cartons of strawberries. Martha gets her items and looks at the bananas. They are on sale for much cheaper than they are normally. She picks 3 bananas. Next are vegetables. She sees potatoes, carrots, tomatoes, onions, mushrooms, and salad in bags. She checks her list. 5 pounds of potatoes. 6 carrots. 4 tomatoes. 2 onions. 4 mushrooms. As she is putting her items into her cart, Martha checks the many bags of salad and chooses 2 of them. She pushes her cart ahead. The next section is meat and dairy. She sees meat, fish, cheese, eggs, and milk. She checks her list. 2 fish, salmon. 1 block of cheese, cheddar. 1 dozen eggs. 2 gallons of milk. She looks at the meat that is on sale and chooses a 5-pound roll of hamburger. She gets the rest of the items in that section. She still needs rice, bread, salt, sugar, and flour. She gets 2 bags of rice, 4 loaves of bread, a 2-pound bag of sugar, a 2-pound bag of flour. Martha then realizes that she has forgotten something. She runs back and gets 1 container of salt and then rushes to the checkout. She puts her groceries into her car and leaves.